Namaste doston. Hello friends, this is Suman Sharma. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. I'm also well. So in this video basically we are going to discuss about related e-way bill, some important point which we will discuss in this video. So first let me explain you about what is e-way bill. E-way bill is basically a bill for goods of movement. So this is made basically for movements of goods. So there is a different limit for e-way bill in different states. For Delhi, there is a 1 lakh limit for e-way bill, and other than Delhi, for all state of India, 50,000 it's a e-way bill making limit. If you live in Delhi and you make invoice from Delhi, so you will have to make e-way bill uh, on the amount of 1 lakh or more than 1 lakh. If you live, if your business is other than Delhi, so you have to follow limit 50,000. And if your invoice value is 50 or more than 50,000, in case you will have to generate e-way bill. Let's suppose there is any invoice 50,000 or more than 50,000 which is applicable for e-way bill generation, and you forget to generate e-way bill. Without generating e-way bill, you dispatch your material, and your material and your transportation is not going to check by the department, and your goods is successfully delivered to the dispatch area. So in that case there is no problem. And if if you move your goods without making e-way bill, and your goods your transporter has been checked out by the officers, so there is a 200% penalty you will have to pay in case of non-generation of e-way bill. In case you move your goods without generation e-way bill, so there is no problem. You can generate e-way bill within 180 days. There is a rule, you can generate your any F of invoice forget to generate e-way bill, so you can generate e-way bill within 180 days. And if there is any invoice which is applicable for e-way bill generation and you forget to generate e-way bill against those invoice, so under section 122 you will have to pay penalty 50,000, 25,000 for CGST and 25,000 for HGST. So for avoiding this penalty, please make sure to generate e-way bill for all those invoices is applicable, mandatory for generation e-way bill. And if you forget, in case if you forget due to any reason to generate e-way bill, so you can generate e-way bill within 180 days of within 180 days of invoice. I hope this information will help you out. If this information will help you out, so please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Keep watching.